Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use case and decode functions in Oracle select statement. We have here two practices using case. Write a query to display the employee last name. So we want to display the last name of the employee, the job underscore ID, a grade of all employees based on the value of the job ID. There is no column called the grade, so we want to check the job ID. If the value of the job ID is AD underscore press, the grade will be A. If it is IT underscore prog, the grade is B. If it is SA underscore rep, the grade is C. If it is none of the above, the grade will be 0. So here we can use case statement, case job underscore ID, when AD underscore press, then return A, when IT underscore prog, then return B, when SA underscore rep, then return C, otherwise else return 0. And here we can end the case statement, and we can give an alias for this case expression, grade for example, from table employees. That's it. Just keep in mind here, if you put 0 without single quotation marks, it will return an error, because here all case conditions return string. Here return A string, return B string, C string, so you must put the 0 in single quotation mark to handle it as a character. If you put it as 0 without single quotation mark, it will return an error, because all case conditions return character, so here must return also character, not a number. Try to run this select statement, and here we go. So this is SA rep, the grade is C. Here IT prog, the grade is B, and here ST underscore clerk, for example, the grade is 0. The second practice, rewrite the above practice using decode function. So we want to use decode instead of case. We can just write here decode job ID, check the job ID. If it is AD underscore press, return A. If it is IT underscore prog, return B. If it is SA underscore rep, return C. Otherwise return 0. That's it, as grade from table employees. Run the select statement, and here we go. It's exactly the same output. So in this practice we learned how to use case and decode functions. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.